Hi, my name is Jasara, and today I'm going to explain to you cold brew coffee with Bodum's Bean Iced Coffee Maker. Cold brew is different than iced coffee. It's less bitter and has no acidity. It will let those flavor notes shine through. The idea is simple. All you need to do is mix your ground coffee with cold water and let it sit in the refrigerator for 6 to 12 hours. This stay-tight lid will seal in the aroma. It's up to you if you want to brew a regular strength or double up to make concentrate. I double up because I like to serve with lots of ice. Remove your coffee maker from the refrigerator, take off the lid, and press. I promise you, once you try cold brew coffee, you'll cringe at the idea of having hot coffee on ice. Get your bean iced coffee here and try it for yourself.